Hi all. So today we are going to look at three simple functions in Excel: mod function, question function, and absolute function. So using mod function, we can determine the remainder. Let's say I have a number and a divisor, and I want to know what is going to be the remainder. So I can use a simple mod function or mod function. So in this case, number over here is cell B2, that's 50, and divisor is cell C3. So answer should be 2. Now, if I drag this across the column, I get the respective remainders. Let's take in one example. So 94 when divided by 9, 9 into 10, 90. So 4 is the remainder. Same way, we can determine the quotient over here using question function. So write QUOTIENT. So integer portion of the division is returned. So this is the number. This is the denominator. Answer should be 16. That's it. Now, if I drag it down, it populates across the column like this. So, for example, 94 into 9, question is 10. Same way, we can use the absolute function, ABS function. So, if I just want the number, not the sign, so I can use this ABS function. So, select the number, cell L2, close the bracket. Same way, if I drag across this, I see that minus 47 becomes 47, minus 83 becomes 83, and minus 123 becomes 123. So these are the functioning of very simple functions: mod function, question function, and ABS function. In case this video was helpful, please do like the video. And for more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for your time.